Hello guys, how are we all? Hope you're all doing well. I feel like I haven't done one of these videos in a while and I get so many questions all the time from you guys like, Laura, when are you bringing us another like big deep clean slash house reset? I need some motivation. And it always amazes me that actually so many of you put these on when you feel like you need a bit of motivation to clean your house. So I thought, you know what? House needs a real good clean, and it's at that stage where, do you know, where you just feel like you can't sit still and actually enjoy your evenings because the house just doesn't feel fresh. Don't know if anyone else ever gets that, but that's where we're at. And I've just let all the pots pile up in the sink today because it's always a really hard one to balance, like working at home and also cleaning, because if I had it my way I'd be cleaning all the time, but I can't be doing that. Anyway, I'm not going to ramble on in this intro, but I'm definitely going to try and make a conscious effort to start bringing you guys a monthly deep clean slash house reset. I've also got loads of organisation to do as well, which I feel like I always say that, but genuinely we will get around to it. I thought today though, before we do get into the clean with me, we would bring back some nostalgia. I don't know if anyone used to watch my clean with me's in lockdown, but I feel like I used to do this quite often. I would mix up my clean with me's, whether it's like one branded clean with me's, different colours, but obviously over the years I realised that you can't always just go out and spend loads of money on cleaning products because you don't actually need them. However, I let all mine run down recently in order to be able to buy all pink things, and that is exactly what we're going to do today. We are doing a pink clean with me. So let me just quickly run you through some new products that I picked up from B&M and Savers. So anyway, this is what I've managed to pick up, pink themed. It actually was a little bit more difficult than what I thought. I thought there'd be so many pink things, but yeah, there wasn't. But I did kind of manage to get something in every single category, so let me quickly run through. First of all, I actually picked these up on my last cleaning like stock up, and they are so good. They're the Duck Watermelon Whirlwinds. They actually turn the colour of the water purple, so unlike like your normal toilet things that you attach that just kind of sit there and smell, these actually dispense like a bit of purple into your water every time and keep it super fresh. So I really recommend these, and they're only 99p each. Then just picked up some standard Febreze bathroom air fresheners. I love these so much. A new Scrub Mummy, which I've actually just chucked my old one away because it went disgusting. Just some more cleaning pads. These are just like the £1 ones from B&M. Some wild raspberry and peony wipes from Zaflora. I've never actually had these, I don't think, but these are the Fresh Petal Vac Scents. So it's like an in-vac deodorizer. I don't actually know where that goes, but honestly, I do need to get a new Hoover, so that is next on my to-buy list, but I thought we'd just freshen it up. One of my favourite products, I always repurchase this, the Mr. Sheen Multi-Surface Spray. It's a Flora for us to try, the Sweet Fresia and Jasmine. Some Fabulosa products. These were literally like £1. They're so inexpensive, and this is like a Dubai Amber scent, which I quite like. My mum had a little sniff the other day and she didn't like it, but if you like the more oody scents, I think you'll like this. The Pink Stuff Miracle Cream Cleaner. You guys know I love myself a cream cleaner. I have still got a little bit of this one from Sif, which I didn't realise. But yeah, I much prefer it in this bottle rather than the, do you like the pot they normally have it in? Window Lean, which again is another always like constant repurchase, the pink one, my favorite for like glass. The Harpic Power Jasmine Cherry Blossom for your toilet. This smells so good, and again, it's something that I have actually picked up before. Oh, this is a new one, guys, and I've been using this. It's the, I don't know how you say this brand, so let me know how you pronounce it. I'm not going to butcher it, but I believe it's a Spanish cleaning brand, and oh my goodness, it smells so incredibly fresh. So I really rate that. I also picked up a Carpet Fresh Pet because we have had a few accidents with Buddy on the carpet recently, so I'm going to spray my carpets with that. Just picked up the Flash Spray multi-purpose Wild Berries Mrs. Hinch kind of one. And yeah, that is all our pink products we're going to be using in the clean with me today. So grab yourself a cuppa, maybe your cleaning products as well if you're going to join me today, and let's get cleaning. Okay guys, you know the drill by now. Let's make ourselves a nice drink so we've got some motivation before we start our cleans. I'm making myself a nice iced matcha in my new B&M glass that I feel like everyone went crazy for these, and I finally got it, £3. And I don't know about anyone else, but sometimes just buying yourself a new glass from B&M is just that dopamine hit that you need. Am I right or am I wrong? Anyway, we're starting cleaning in the kitchen open plan area today, as we always do, because I feel like, if I'm honest, this is the biggest task because there's so many different areas, and when I'm trying to deep clean this, honestly, it can take me a good few hours. I definitely feel like we underestimate sometimes how long cleaning actually takes, like especially when you're doing a proper clean. But yeah, personally for me, I always feel like getting the biggest job done first is the best in my mind, and then I know that like the rest of the house won't take as long. Let me know where you guys clean first. Do you start in the kitchen? Do you start in a bathroom or the bedroom? I'd be so intrigued to know. By the way, girlies, please excuse how bloated I look, because when I was editing this back, I was like, oh no, it's a bloaty day. I feel like I've had so many of them this week, but don't know about anyone else, but it just depends where I am in my cycle as to how bloaty I will be. And obviously with my suspected endo as well, I don't think that helps, but it's all fun and games being a woman, isn't it? Anyway, moving on to the actual cleaning. I am just taking my Scrub Daddy, my Cif Cream cleaner, and doing the hob. It's my favourite way to clean it. And then I just take a window and glass cloth as well and just go over it. And then once it dries, it is, I promise you, smear free. And then I also take a little cocktail stick just to go around the edge of the induction hob, because I don't know about anyone else, but the little bits that you get in the cracks, how annoying. And then one of my favourite hacks forever will be hot water, a nice Sephora Fabulosa, whatever it is you're taking, or even sometimes I take fabric conditioner if I run out, and put it in the sink, and oh my goodness, the way the house smells, like it just lets off the best aroma. I always do this as well before I go to bed in the evening, so then when I come downstairs in the morning, the kitchen just smells so fresh. Also a good hack to do if you've got people over and you haven't cleaned, just quickly wax them in the sink, and yeah, your whole house truly does smell amazing. I'm then just taking some Sephora wipes and literally just going over all of the fronts of the cupboards, because you don't realise how much like grub and grime with your fingers get on here. So they also smell super fresh with the Sephora wipes, so that's another reason I love using them. Then just taking my Hoover and just hoovering up. I think I'm going to get a new Shark soon, guys. My mum has just bought the, I can't remember what one it is. It's about £400, but I think she'd get it on offer. And oh my goodness, she brought it around to show me because she was that buzzing with it. And the difference of an upgraded model, like I've obviously had mine for like 7-8 years now. And don't get me wrong, it served me well. But the difference, oh my God, I need it. So yeah, I think that is definitely on my to buy list next. Next up, I'm taking my new little device that I got from B&M. It was literally £3. It's like a lint roller thing. Well, it's not a lint roller, but it's like a lint roller, but one for like your sofas and to remove pet hair. And oh my goodness, it is unbelievable. I'm so impressed with it. I literally just use it to go over all the sofas, and the amount of fluff and cat hair it gets up is crazy. Then just quickly dusting in this area. Still not finished this area properly yet. Still got a few things I want to do. Change the cushions. I think we're also going to change the paint colour of all the walls eventually. But that's the job after the wedding now, guys, because, yeah, we've just got so much going on at the moment. Okay, next up, we are deep cleaning this coffee station. One thing about this coffee station is that as we have a glass top on, every now and again, I just need to take it off so I can like clean underneath it, clean the glass thoroughly as well, and also just clean the walls behind it, because admittedly things do splash on it, but it's fine. Nothing that a little wipe down doesn't solve. Just taking my Scrub Daddy for this and just getting rid of any little stains before taking my window clean glass cleaner to obviously make it nice and shiny and smear free before putting everything back on. And oh my goodness, the difference it makes. It just feels like the area is brand new again, and I love it. next up, it's time to introduce you to my new favourite floor cleaner ever. It's called a Sevi. It's a Spanish cleaning brand, and I've seen this for the longest time floating around in like the range, B&M, and I just haven't thought to try it. Anyway, picked it up on the off chance the other day, and oh my goodness, I do not think my floors have ever smelt so clean in my entire life. The way this lingers for hours and hours after, just trust me, try it, thank me later. And it's so incredibly cheap and affordable as well. I've even been putting this in the sink to steam just because it smells so freaking good. So yeah, I'm loving that floor cleaner at the moment. Anyway, skipping on to the next day now, because just some realism around here, it does not take me 1 working day to clean my house. It genuinely takes me 2 to 3 working days because my level of concentration and procrastination just cannot cope with it. So yeah, we're on a new day now and we're tackling the office. The office is quite easy really. It's literally just a matter of dusting, and then I'll just spray my Mr. Sheen like polish cleaner as well and go over everywhere so it smells nice and fresh.
Strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now. Could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. And look at us now. This is
Then moving on to the living room, and first things first, just plumping up all the cushions. This is yet again another room that we haven't fully completed yet, but as they always say, like, building a home is a process. Like, it just doesn't happen overnight. And if you're me and Mitchell, you will start on a room, do it to 80%, and then just not actually finish it. But we've made a promise to ourselves that once the wedding is done, we're going to write a list of every little thing that we need to do in each room. So whether it's buying a few prints for the walls or, you know, just a few little things here and there, we're going to do the list and then tackle each room one by one. Like this room, for example, it literally just needs maybe some new cushions and some nice wall prints, and it will just feel a lot more cozier and complete. I just feel like at the moment, because the walls are a little bare, it doesn't feel like fully finished.
it's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same. Like strangers again.
Just a quick freshen up in the downstairs toilet. Again, another room we haven't fully finished. But again, the list isn't that big, so we literally just need to change the radiator to like a brass gold one, just to go with like the furnishings in here. So many of you as well said to paint the skirting, so we're going to paint the skirting too. And then we just need to sort out the basin sink area. So we're going to get like a whole new basin. We'll take these back tiles off because obviously you can't take the basin off without taking the tiles off. And again, I don't know what basin we're going to get. Something a little bit funky, I think. And Mitchell still needs to sort this mirror out because I think he needs to order something so it doesn't stay in one place. Like, you see how it just stays at the bottom? Anyway, another job, another day.
We go all the way when you're feeling down. Push the pain away. We go bottoms up. We go all the way.
Moving on to our master bedroom. I honestly love our bedroom now. We literally just made a couple of changes, and again, we haven't done anything drastic yet. We was just a bit fed up with how it was looking, and it's a room you're in all the time. You sleep in there, and it's just so nice when it feels a bit cozier. So as you just saw this year, we got new bedside tables, a new bed, and literally just a new cushions and some accessories. We haven't painted yet. We haven't added any wall art or anything like that. But already the difference in how much cozier it feels is crazy. So yeah, again, a few more little touches that we need to add in here, but I'm already so much happier. Then moving on to my filming room, which admittedly I haven't really been using as a filming room that much lately, because since we've had the office done, I've been using that as my background for the fashion videos. So yeah, I feel like, again, I need to kind of think what I want to do with this area and what I want to put in. You'd have probably noticed I've moved the mirror from that wall to like, it's actually balancing against the piano at the moment. Why did I do it? Oh, I know why I did it, because I didn't want the piano in the background if I wanted to do any mirror pictures. And I've not really been playing my piano much either, so I need to make a decision about that because it's just something that's sitting there at the moment, not getting used, and a bit of a waste of space. So yeah, another room I kind of need to sort out after the wedding and just give it a little spruce up and kind of evaluate how I'm going to be using it and if I still want to keep it as a filming room.
We go bottoms up.
Last but not least, moving on to my wardrobe room, just hanging everything up. I basically just chucked all my washing that had been washed on the floor because I was like, if I actually just shove it on the floor in a pile, it'll make me do it because it's in the middle of the floor. So a little hack for my girls that struggle to put their washing away: empty your washing basket onto the middle of the floor, and then when you walk in there, you'll be like, oh my God, I can't cope, I need to put it away. Like the filming room, there were so many marks on the floor in this room, so I used some of that Sephora like moussey foam stuff, which by the way is a new product in my cleaning range, and I'm actually really enjoying it. Dare I say I might prefer it to the Dr. Beckman. You do have to like really work it in and scrub it, but it smells nice, and do you know what? It's got rid of all the marks, so I'm chuffed with that. Anyway guys, getting to the end of this clean with me now. Thank you so much for watching. If you did make it to the end, let me know if you want to see more clean with me's, and I'll be sure to do one once a month. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe. Bye.